Allah said in the Holy Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعض الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون صدق الله مولانا العظيم. Corruption has appeared throughout the land and sea by the reason of what the hands of people have earned. So He may let them taste a part of the consequence of what they have done, that perhaps they will return to righteousness. Brothers and sisters, this verse reminds us that every corruption, every destruction, every disaster which appeared on the land and sea is because of our mistake. It's because of us. Everything is because of us, not because of Allah. Allah reminds us by the disaster, natural disaster, by the flash flood, by the earthquake, by the tsunami, by the landslide. All of that just because of Allah reminds us, so as that perhaps we may return to Allah, we come closer to Allah. We have to be aware that everything is because of Allah reminds us. Allah loves us. We have to know that. We know several days ago the disaster which appeared on our country Indonesia, in Sulawesi, Palu, Donggala, earthquake, tsunami, liquefaction, everything, all of that, we can recognize the greatness of Allah, the only God in the universe. We have to believe that everything in this universe is His creatures, and sometimes it will return to Him. This awareness should be the basic moral in building the nation and country which is united in diversity in Indonesia. We can see that nowadays, recently, currently in our country Indonesia, races, religion, ethics become the main problem in our country Indonesia. The main problem, they hate each other. It means that our nations have not a basic moral to respect each other. Moreover, Islam told us about loving each other, love and affection. Allah said, "Innamal mu'minuna ikhwatun fa aslihu baina akhwatkum." Hey, the faithful, all of the Muslims, all of the faithful is brotherhood. So we have to make a good relation between brothers, between us, between Muslims, between the faithful. We should not be separated each other. This is the basic, or this is the main problem. Urgent, very urgent problem in our country. That's why Allah reminds us about this disaster to make us recognize, to make us realize that everything what we have done nowadays is wrong, is mistake. We have to repent to Allah and return to Allah and come closer to Allah and never be far from Allah. Brothers and sisters, let's recognize. We have to be aware about all of that. Please do not separate each other. We have to respect each other. In the general election that will be happening on April 2019 should not be the big problem for us. It's not going to be a mistake. This is going to be our nationality, going to be our unity. Whoever our choices, It doesn't matter. We are brothers. We should not separate each other. We have to unite our nation. Do not want to be separated. Do not want to be separated. Guys, come on, wake up. Wake up from the nightmare and reach your bright future.